You've heard the hype. You've been adding spoonfuls of that brilliant yellow powder to your water every morning, hoping to unlock its magic, the powerful anti-inflammatory, immunity-boosting, and liver-supporting prowess of the golden spice. But here's the tough truth: you're likely wasting your time and your turmeric. The simple act of drinking turmeric water is the nutritional equivalent of throwing money out the window. If you want to harness the true, life-changing power of this ancient root, you need to understand the science behind its biggest challenge, the absorption barrier. The curcumin crisis: why your body rejects the good stuff. Turmeric's undisputed star is curcumin, a powerful polyphenol responsible for its potent healing effects. It's a natural miracle worker, fighting oxidative stress and calming inflammation associated with conditions from arthritis to neurological health. Sounds incredible, right? But curcumin faces two monumental obstacles in your gut. Water hater: curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it simply refuses to dissolve in water. When you drink turmeric water, most of the curcumin bypasses absorption entirely and is flushed out of your system. The liver's eject button, even the small amount that manages to sneak into your system, is immediately flagged by the liver and rapidly metabolized, a process called glucuronidation, making it inactive and preparing it for swift excretion. The therapeutic window slams shut almost instantly. This frustrating phenomenon is known as poor bioavailability. Your efforts are noble, but your technique is wrong. The scientific secret: two ingredients that turn turmeric into gold. To defeat the absorption barrier, you need two simple, everyday allies that act as scientific boosters, one a carrier, and the other a powerful inhibitor. 1. The fat factor, the carrier. Since curcumin is fat-soluble, you must deliver it using a lipid vehicle. Think of fat as the essential bus curcumin needs to ride to cross the intestinal wall and enter your bloodstream. The fix: never consume turmeric alone. Always mix it with a healthy fat source. This could be a dash of coconut oil, ghee, clarified butter, or olive oil in your cooking or drink. The fat dissolves the curcumin, allowing it to be absorbed via the same pathways used by dietary lipids. 2. The black pepper bomb, the 2000% amplifier. This is the non-negotiable secret, backed by hard science. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, is the ultimate game changer. The shocking fact: studies confirm that combining curcumin with piperine can increase its absorption and presence in the blood by up to a mind-blowing 2000%. The mechanism: piperine works by temporarily inhibiting the key liver enzymes responsible for flushing curcumin out of your system. This buys the curcumin precious time it needs to circulate, reach inflamed tissues, and perform its anti-inflammatory duties. The rule: a pinch of freshly ground black pepper is non-negotiable for every single dose of turmeric you take. Dosage danger: the hidden risk of kidney stones. Before you start quadrupling your dose, a word of caution: turmeric is a double-edged sword. While beneficial, it is relatively high in oxalates. The risk: excessive turmeric intake can increase the risk of forming calcium oxalate kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Too much powder can also lead to gas, bloating, and other gastric distress. The solution: stick to a safe daily dose of 3/4 to 1 teaspoon, 1 to 3 grams, of dried turmeric powder. And here's a clever trick: consume your turmeric with calcium-rich foods, like milk, to help bind the oxalates in the gut, preventing them from being absorbed into the kidneys. The triumph of tradition: 3 proven ways to consume turmeric. Ditch the ineffective turmeric water and adopt these time-tested, science-approved methods to ensure you get the full synergistic power of the spice. 1. The golden milk, haldi doodh, ritual. This beloved traditional remedy is scientifically brilliant. The recipe: simmer half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in whole milk, or fatty plant milk, for 5 to 6 minutes. The power: the fat in the milk acts as the carrier, and the calcium helps mitigate oxalates. Remember to add that vital pinch of black pepper after simmering. 2. The tempered tadka, cooking with fat. The classic Indian cooking method is the most efficient delivery system. The recipe: Always add your daily turmeric dose to the hot oil or ghee when sautéing or tempering your vegetables, dals, or curries. The power: the heat instantly activates the compounds, the fat provides the vehicle, and the cooking process itself reduces the oxalate content, making it a safe, winning strategy. 3. Fresh turmeric pickle. Using the whole root provides not just curcumin, but valuable terperones, other potent compounds often missing in powders and supplements. The recipe: cure fresh, chopped turmeric root with mustard oil, lemon juice, and plenty of pepper. The power: the oil is the carrier, and the whole root provides the necessary synergy that isolated supplements simply cannot match. Final verdict: be smart, not just enthusiastic. Stop blindly chasing the latest health trend and start applying simple science. Your journey to better health with turmeric depends entirely on how you eat it. Embrace the power of fat plus pepper, stick to the safe dosage, and watch your body truly start to glow from the inside out.